New York Attorney General Letitia James ending her campaign to be the state's next governor today, writing in a tweet, "I have come to the conclusion that I must continue my work as Attorney General. There are a number of important investigations and cases that are underway, and I intend to finish the job." One of those investigations involves former President Trump. We are bringing in right now ABC's Aaron Katersky for more. Aaron, great to see you.
You too.
So what is the New York AG pursuing here?
Well, we learned today that she wants to depose former President Trump as part of her civil investigation into his namesake family real estate firm. The Attorney General's office has been investigating whether the Trump organization committed some kind of financial fraud over the way it valued its real estate holdings. They told lenders one thing, they told tax authorities another thing, and Letitia James signaled today that she wanted to depose former President Trump early next month by January 7th.
January 7th. Okay, awfully close to another significant day, January 6th. We'll come back to that in a minute. What kind of documentation does the state AG's office have?
Oh, they have all the records about what the Trump organization did when they were talking to lenders seeking loans, how they valued holdings perhaps one way, and then when they were seeking tax breaks and the like, and then when it came to actually paying taxes, what did the Trump organization say the values were then? And they have to compare column A and column B to see if they match. This same information is being scrutinized by prosecutors with the Manhattan District Attorney's Office to see if criminal charges are warranted. And we know that the former president fought the Manhattan DA's office all the way to the Supreme Court twice in order to try and block access to his tax returns, ultimately unsuccessfully. So there's the criminal side, and with James now pursuing a deposition on the civil side.
I don't want to put you on the spot, but I kind of do. What are the chances on a scale of 1 to 10 that a criminal case is brought?
There's a chance there's a criminal case. The Manhattan DA, who is leaving office by the end of the year, will have to decide whether there's enough to bring a case against the former president now or whether that has to kick to his successor. And they're looking at all of the documents, but they also need a critical part, Deirdre, and that is the former president's intent. It may be one thing to value your holdings differently. Was there an intent to evade the law when you did it? And that's what the decision is going to rest on.
And that's really key to your point from a legal perspective.
Have to have intent in order to make it a crime.
As for Letitia James herself, the state AG, what do you make of her political choice?
Well, it's interesting that she says she wants to depose the former president and then all of a sudden is not running for the governor of New York. She says she wants to finish the job of being the state attorney general because there are so many investigations. In truth, Deirdre, she was not polling very well compared to the incumbent, Kathy Hochul, who took over after former Governor Andrew Cuomo resigned in disgrace. And according to the state's Democratic chairman, Letitia James just wanted to not do this to the party. She wanted to have a unified front going in. And Governor Hochul today said that President Trump, former President Trump, and the NRA should not be having a very good day because Letitia James is going to be staying as the Attorney General.
Yeah, that is at least one organization that has to be really nervous. Aaron, I want to come back. I got distracted, but we alluded to the January 6th investigation. What is the very latest with that?
Well, the former president, as we say, does not like to cooperate with investigations that try to touch his personal records, his tax returns, any financial information. And he has sought to shield more than 700 documents from the House committee investigating the January 6th insurrection. Today, the Washington, D.C. Federal Appeals Court said that he couldn't do it, that his claim of executive privilege fell short because the current president, President Biden, had already decided that the public has a weighty interest in seeing the documents because Congress wants to prevent another attempt to disrupt the peaceful transfer of power. We'll see now whether the former president goes to the Supreme Court. I think he will.
Aaron, thank you, as always, for your amazing reporting. Aaron Katersky with us there.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.